If I told you that I could give you a product that would completely erase the redness on your skin, broken blood vessels, acne breakouts, just ruddiness, red complexion, it's great for rosacea, it's a wonderful product. What if I could tell you, I could give you something that would work instantly on that? Well, today I'm going to share that with you. Before I do though, if you're not subscribed, please do so and hit the little bell so that you get these videos when they upload. You know when I'm live streaming and you know what is coming your way as far as skincare is concerned. And be sure and check out my blog, Skin So Fabulous. All of this information will be in the video description box about the product. This is not a paid endorsement. This is simply a product that I tested that works extremely well for the problems that I'm about to talk to you about. There's a step I'm going to talk about today that's going to fix this problem for you. And this little green tube right here of L'Oreal's BB cream, it's green. And what does green do to red? It cancels out red. So while the cream is green, it blends into your skin. I'm going to show you this in just a second, how well this works. You can see I'm kind of ruddy looking. But this cream is amazing. So I recommend that you use this before your foundation if you're using makeup. And for guys, it is invisible. You put it on your skin and you rub it in and you blend it very, very well. And you're gonna see the redness go away. You're not gonna look like you have makeup on. It's gonna work for you extremely well. So be sure you put this on before your sunscreen or your makeup, but you just take a little dab of this and you can see it's green. Very green, right? And you put that on the skin and you just blend it in and just watch the red disappear from my cheek. Red, not red. It's amazing stuff. I'm gonna do it on the other side just so you get a good view of this. It blends right into your skin tone, fades right in there, it covers up broken little spider veins. It gets rid of ruddiness. You have breakouts, it's a great primer under foundation or alone. It's gonna help cover them up and you can see what a great job. This is L'Oreal's Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream in green. This is what I want you to go out and use. And this will do it for you folks. If you have yellow, they have one for yellow, but most of you have the red problem and that's what I hear about. I wanted to give you the solution today to covering that red up. Give it a try. Leave me comments, please. Let me know how it works for you. Hopefully this answered your question. Come back for more. I have a lot of great skincare coming for you soon with some more reviews on products that you've been asking about. So I look forward to talking to you again really soon. And again, let me know on how this works.